Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Today I'm coming with a DIY on how I am making some last minute Valentine's decorations with the local Dollar Tree supplies. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see some more videos like this, or if you have some ideas of how I can make these decorations better. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, you guys, what I'm using is an old wreath that I had for Christmas a few years ago. I'm just going to go ahead and recycle this wreath and remove all of the old decorations and add on my new ones. It's a great tip for saving some money. So these are the items we picked up from the local Dollar Tree. We have a sign, a heart sign that says "Love you to the moon and back," some glitter tulle, and we also picked up some ribbon. It has hearts on it. We picked up a few bouquets of flowers, pink, red, white. Some of them have some red glitter hearts on them. And we're also going to be using a hot glue gun, which I already had, and some E6000 glue. So stay tuned, you guys. Right here, you guys, you will see me just removing all of the flower buds and all of the decorations, such as the baby breath and the glitter hearts from our stems. I remove everything except for the leaves. You can save those leaves for another project. I don't use them on this type of wreath because my wreath is already green. But if you have a different color wreath, or if you're using a different type of material for your wreath, you can definitely save those green leaves and add them on. They help with filling in spaces and just adding some more pops of color. So save those for later. Don't throw them away. Okay, you guys, so we're moving on to our sign. Go ahead and remove the ribbon from the sign and situate your sign where you want it on your wreath. I particularly wanted mine to be directly in the center of my wreath, so I'm going to use some of the stems on my wreath to connect it, so to speak, just to place it there like a placeholder until I hot glue it down permanently, as you can see there. And that's just, it's gonna just hold it there for me, snuggle it in while I flip the wreath over. Now, once you do flip your wreath over, you're gonna be using a combination of hot glue and E6000, which is the strongest glue that I have. So you'll use your strongest glue if you like. I would like this to last, and right now it's getting to be rain season where I live, and it's very humid and it gets hot and then it gets wet again, so I want this to be able to last at least through Valentine's. So we're going to use the hot glue and place it all the way around the perimeter, pressing it down. Press down the wreath to the sign, and just keep doing that. Use some of the E6000. And what's happening, you guys, is the hot glue is allowing, it's going to dry faster than the E6000 will. But the E6000 is the strongest glue. So it's just allowing us to work faster and allowing the project to go ahead and cure with the hot glue gun. Okay, so that's what we're doing right here. Once you have all of the E6000 and hot glue secured on the back, go ahead and flip your project over and secure it a little bit more around the front part as well. Okay, so now we're moving on to our glitter tulle. What I'm going to be doing is just making some large loops around the entire wreath. It's going to be about maybe 4 or 5 loops that I'm going to make, and I'm just going to puff those loops out. Now you can situate it however you like. You can make a bow, you can make little bows, you can make more loops. However your heart desires, that's how you can make it. I just wanted a few big loops so that I can have spaces available to add in my flowers and also my ribbon. Now I'm going to be adding in the ribbon. I'm going to make big loops just like I did with the tulle. I'm just going to add them in between the tulle. And this is going to add a little bit more decoration, a little bit more definition to our wreath. So now we've gotten to the exciting part for me, and this is where we're going to be adding all of those beautiful flowers, the pinks, the reds, those beautiful glitter hearts, and the baby's breath to our wreath. This is going to be adding the final touches to make our wreath just really pop. And I tell you, you guys, when I see my wreath, when I pull up into my driveway and I'm just looking at my neighbor's wreaths, I literally want to make a wreath for everyone's door. It just adds so much character to your home to see something so beautiful and something that you created. So go ahead and be as creative as you want right here. Add as many flowers or as little flowers as you want. And you guys, I'm a spring baby, so I love flowers. I love anything flowery and colorful. And pink is actually my favorite color. I am a true girly girl. So make this as pretty and as girly as you want it, you guys. You'll appreciate it when you see the final project. Alright, you guys, so we're back with our final DIY, and what we're going to be doing today is decorating my entrance table. I did pick up a few more items from the Dollar Tree, some signs and some candles, some candle holders and things like that, so stay tuned. To hang my signs, I'm going to be using the Command damage-free hangers. I picked those up from the Dollar General for $3.99. I was able to pick up these 2 candle holders and this rhinestone ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and what I did was attach one layer of the rhinestone ribbon around the candle holder and attached it with hot glue. I put my candle in there. I added a few little heart stones and clear stones. I picked those up from the Dollar Tree as well. I did the same thing with this candle holder, but I added one of those cute little pink hearts at the front of it. I think it turned out pretty good, you guys. I also picked up a scarf from the Dollar Tree. It's a Valentine's Day scarf. I used a little bit of pink ribbon at the end, and I frayed the ends with some scissors. And this is going to be my table runner. I think it came out really, really cute, you guys. And it was a simple way to jazz up my table. All right, you guys, so this is the final look of our last minute Valentine's DIY. I think it came out very pretty. I am very much so pleased. Very excited that we're able to get items like this at the Dollar Tree. Like, come on, you guys. This looks very glam. I even added a little bit of the rhinestone ribbon at the bottoms of my red vases. And I just added those flowers that I had left over right here on my display. Look at how pretty this is. It looks so glammy. It looks like I spent a little bit more time than I did. This probably took me about 30 minutes, minus the disruptions I had with my girls, but all in all, I'm very satisfied, and it just brings that pop of love in. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Happy Valentine's again, from our home to yours. Enjoy. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you all enjoyed this video, let me know, and I'll do more videos like this for the different seasons. Thanks for stopping by.